Here are the new 2026 income tax brackets if you're married filing joint. So from $0 to $24,800, you're paying 10%. From $24,801 to $100,800, you're paying 12%. Here's the first step up from $100,801 to $211,400, you'll be paying 22%. From $211,401 to $403,550, you're in the 24% bracket. Another big step up here is $403,551 to $512,450. That bracket is 32%. From $512,451 to $768,700, you'll be in the 35% bracket. And then any income above $768,701, you will be in the 37% tax bracket. And before you comment down below, you need to understand this is a marginal tax bracket system. Not all of your income is taxed at these percentages. Let me give you an example real quick. So let's say you and your spouse make $200,000 per year. We're gonna skip over the standard deduction right now just to prove a point. The first $24,800 of this is taxed at 10%. Now, the next amount of dollars that fall between this income, it's actually $76,000 total, is taxed at this 12% rate, which is $9,120. And whatever's left in this bracket, because you only made $200,000, let's see, that would be $99,200. The rest of the $99,200, the dollars that fall in between this bracket is taxed at 22%. So 22% of $99,200 is $21,824. And then when you add these taxes up, you would have paid $33,424 in total taxes, okay? So even though you made $200,000 and your marginal tax rate is 22%, you can actually find your effective tax rate, which is the actual taxes you owe, $33,424, divided by your total income. Again, I'm skipping over the standard deduction just for easy numbers. Your effective tax rate is 16.7%. That is the total average tax that you pay across all these brackets. So again, just because you fall in a certain tax bracket, like 22% or 24%, doesn't mean you're paying 22 or 24% on all of your dollars earned. It's a marginal tax bracket system, and you have an official effective tax that you owe altogether. And if you actually watched until the end and understand this concept, feel free to respond to the people in the comments that didn't watch till the end and just assumed they were paying a certain amount of tax.